Hello children, today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 10 in environmental pollution. So now let us know what is environment. It is the natural world, for example the land, air and water in which people, animals and plants live. So to spread the awareness to the world, we celebrate Environment Day on 5th June every year. Now what is environmental pollution? When there is an undesirable change in the surrounding that has harmful effects on plants and animals, it leads to environmental pollution. And yes children, what is pollution? The harm caused to the environment is called pollution. Now let's learn more about what is pollution. Pollution occurs when substances are put into the environment that destroy living organisms. Loud noises affect living things in a negative way. Factories produce smoke that pollutes the air. People throw litter around that pollutes the soil. Ships carrying oil may spill oil into the ocean. Now, let us know about the types of pollution. There are 4 types of pollution: air pollution, water pollution, soil or land pollution, noise pollution, as you can see in the picture below. So first is air pollution. What is air pollution? The mixing of harmful gases, dust, smoke and other particles in the air is called air pollution. Children, we can live without food and water for hours, but we cannot live without air even for a minute. We need clean air to breathe. So, we will learn about the causes of air pollution. Air pollution depends upon 2 factors. A. Natural sources like volcanic eruption, forest fires, sandstorms, etc. B. Human-made sources like smoke from factories, burning of fuels, firecrackers, etc. The smoke produced from the factories, vehicles, firecrackers, burning of garbage, volcanic eruption, etc. mixes with air and causes air pollution. As you can see, the volcanic eruption and sandstorms, which are the example of natural air pollution. In this picture, you can see these are the examples of human-made air pollution like burning of fields, smoke from the factories. Now second is water pollution. What is water pollution, children? When harmful substances are discharged into water bodies, they cause water pollution. Water is a very important natural resource that is a necessity for life. It becomes unfit to use when human activities pollute it. Now, the causes of water pollution. Sewage water, oil spills, mining activities are few examples of water pollution. Polluted water contains many diseases causing germs. Drinking and bathing with polluted water can lead to diseases such as stomach problems and skin infections in both humans and land animals. Polluted water also affects aquatic organisms and can cause them harm. As you can see some examples in these pictures. Now children, the third one is land pollution. What is land or soil pollution? Land or soil gets polluted when harmful substances are released into it. Now, what are the causes of land pollution? We can classify major sources that led to land following categories like mining and quarrying. What is quarrying? A place where to dig sand, stone out of the ground. Sewage waste, household garbage, industrial waste. So children, due to land pollution, the earth loses approximately 25 billion tons of valuable topsoil each year. And the last is noise pollution. What is noise pollution? The sound that is unpleasant and annoying in our environment is called noise or sound pollution. Now, here are some causes of noise pollution. Noise comes from many sources around us and causes noise pollution. Let us read about what causes noise pollution, like traffic noise, aircraft noise, noise from construction and civil engineering works, noise from the industries, noise from other sources. So, with regular exposure to loud noise, the ability to learn and read decreases. So here you can see some examples of noise pollution. So it's activity time. You have to find out which are the 3 most cleanest cities and 3 most polluted cities of India. You have to also give the reasons why they are most cleanest and most polluted cities. Here is the table. Here you have to write the most cleanest cities and you have to give reasons. And here you have to write most polluted cities and you have to give reasons. Thank you.